Hey everyone, today I'm doing some pet urine carpet cleaning in Rocklin, California. And this whole house has about 2,000 square feet of carpet. But right now, because they're getting ready to sell, there's only two rooms that really have a lot of pet urine and stains and odor in it. So I'm just going to focus on two rooms today and see how that goes to see if they need to replace the carpet. So in this video, I'm going to show you what chemicals I use and kind of the process I do when treating for pet urine and just how to get stains out. So this is the formal living room when you walk in. You can see, like I said, there's only small deposits throughout the room. The majority of the carpet's in pretty good condition. Along the edge, there's a little bit of filtration soil there along the edge as well. I'm going to try and get that out as much as I can. Now before I start anything, I'm going to pre-spray the urine stains with UPS cleaner. And what I love about Cobb's Chemicals is it all comes concentrated, so you can dilute it. This one is 6-to-1. So I'm just going to use about 8 ounces of chemical in it, and the rest is water, and it's going to go a long way. And what this product does is it releases all the urine salts so it can be broken down so I can extract it. This is an acidic product, so try to keep it away from any like marble, granite, travertine, anything like that. Just keep it mostly on the carpet. And I want to show a close-up here. Even if you remove the carpet, the padding, the tackless, everything, and you paint it, you have to replace the baseboard. This is MDF base, and you can see right there it's swollen. It will always stink no matter what. You can paint over that, but I still think it's going to smell. You got to replace the base. So everything's kind of been dwelling for about 10-15 minutes while I set everything else up. Now I can just pre-spray like usual and just clean the home like I normally would. Now everything's clean and rinsed. And doesn't that just look beautiful? It really pops and catches your eye with the way that the triangles match like that. And this is the other living room. Everything looks just beautiful. But then, of course, what happens? Oh, you just got your carpet cleaned? Oh, that's nice. Oh, everything looks real nice. Oh man, it looks fresh. And then, of course, it's ruined. So now I'm just going to do a post-inspection and kind of check out the areas I need to focus on. That right there is most likely a furniture stain where the urine got on the side of like a wood table leg or something and it just stained the carpet. Most likely that's not going to come out. But overall everything else looks real nice. Along the edges everything cleaned up. It smells much better, and I haven't even done the final step, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And in this room, the only stain you can really see is this one right here. All along the wall, it had like little deposits here and there. They're all gone. And the filtration lines came out much better. They're not fully out 100%, but as it dries, it's going to lighten up even more. Alright, and the last step is what I like to call a post-treatment. This is an enzyme, and again by Dynachem. And again, I can't stress how important these products are because they're all concentrated. This one is an 8-to-1 dilution. So again, I'm only going to use about 8 ounces, like a cup of product, and the rest is water. A little goes a long way with this product line. I love Cobb's products so much. I can't stress how important and how lucky I am to have found this product line. And I'm going to be using Stain 1 today for the stains to kind of lighten up those stains and get the pet urine out. I am going to switch over to Dynachem's Brightener very soon though. And this is me spraying down the enzyme, and you kind of want to do it just like you would a Scotch Guard, where you want to evenly distribute the product, and then after that's all in, just rake it all in. And you would do the same with the Stain 1 or your hydrogen peroxide, just to make sure all the stains are covered, and as it dries, everything is going to come out and it's going to look wonderful. So here you can take a look after everything's been raked in. Looks beautiful, smells great, and ready to go. So thanks for watching everyone, hopefully this helps.